Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This F-16 was coming in for a landing just a few feet above the crowd. This F-18 took off almost vertically at the last second, causing sand to fly everywhere. This helicopter was being towed, but the tow got disconnected, so the helicopter started rolling backwards on its own. These firefighters in Australia were picking up water from a swimming pool. This pilot was filming as he flew right above another plane. These two tugs collided with each other. This aircraft tug's tire exploded while pushing back an airplane. This plane was leaking fuel right before it was supposed to take off. This guy was supposed to de-ice the plane, but instead started dancing to cheer up the passengers. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also follow me on social media for even more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.